Let me show you Kevin O'Leary's next investment. Who knows better where to invest than one of the greatest investors of our time, Mr. Wonderful, Kevin O'Leary. In this video, he will tell you what his next investments will be like. But where are you going to invest? Let us know in the YouTube comment section below. Let's go.
Mining, are there any other sectors within crypto that you're really excited about? Is it the DeFi space? Any other investments that you're really looking into? Maybe a thematic investment potential that you look at within crypto?
Yeah, I'm very interested in, as an investment thesis, and this is not only in Canada but globally, show me the jurisdictions that are issuing crypto exchange licenses, because that's the infrastructure of crypto forever. And so UAE, United Arab Emirates, particularly Abu Dhabi, Brazil, Argentina, Switzerland, the UK. I'm using a vehicle called WonderFi, a company that's a Canadian company. They own the largest crypto exchange in Canada. They bought BitBuy. They're looking at other opportunities all over the world, I assume. That's what the management, has said to the market. And I'm very interested in, investing in that, because I'm hoping what they're going to do is a roll-up of exchanges globally. And what better place in Canada, because Canada has been so accommodative in issuing the very first crypto license. The other area that really intrigues me, and what I like about WonderFi is they have both centralized wallets and decentralized. So where they're allowed to provide a decentralized wallet, which that means when you acquire a customer, they can keep both wallets active. Maybe your NFTs are in a decentralized and you're keeping your coin in a centralized wallet for security reasons. But the point is they have both.
Before we continue, make sure to check this other video about Kevin O'Leary's exact crypto portfolio. You will find it at the top right corner below or at the end of this video. Also check my other huge income source. I created a detailed free training where I show you how I make up to $2,265 per day. You can copy this exact system if you like to. You will find free access right below this video.
I love infrastructure, so I also have a position in BitZero, which is also private but building the Norway model. That's infrastructure, data centers, and Bitcoin mining. They're looking at many opportunities around hydro stateside. And then, of course, there's Immutable Holdings. They're the infrastructure for NFTs. They own NFT.com. I'm a shareholder. Jordan Freed is the CEO there. These are all infrastructure plays. That company again went public in Canada. HOLD is the stock. So there you have it. I mean, there's lots of opportunity, and within our operating company's portfolio now, 20% is in crypto. That's the most I can hold.
I was going to ask you, have you reached your 20%? I know you mentioned it last year. Have you reached the 20% threshold?
Last year I was at 7.
7, yeah.
So now I'm at 20, and now we have 32 positions on. It's the most exciting part of my portfolio, the most volatile.
Really?
I mean, it's all over the map every day.
Did you like this video? If yes, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more super valuable videos about how to make money with cryptocurrency and affiliate marketing. That's everything I have to say. Take care, goodbye.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.